Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on your Nintendo Wii console. First, you will need to prepare your Wii by installing the Homebrew channel. This allows you to run unofficial software. You will also need an SD card, preferably one with at least 2 GB of storage, and a reliable internet connection. We will cover each step to get you playing this iconic game on your console, transforming your Wii into a retro gaming powerhouse. To begin, you must install the Homebrew channel on your Wii. This involves downloading specific files to an SD card, which should be formatted to FAT32. Make sure your Wii is connected to a stable internet connection for this process. Once the files are on your SD card, insert it into your Wii and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Homebrew channel installation. This crucial step unlocks your console's potential. Next, you need to acquire the Doom game files. Search online for a Wii-compatible Doom port, often called PR Boom or Chocolate Doom Wii. You will also need the original Doom WAD files, such as DOOMON, WAD, or DO-M2O. WAD, from your legitimate game copy. Transfer these files to your SD card, placing the WAD files into a designated folder within the Doom ports directory. This ensures the game can find its essential data. With your SD card prepared, insert it into your Wii. From the Wii menu, launch the Homebrew channel. You should see the Doom port application listed among your installed Homebrew programs. Select it, and the game will begin to load. You can often configure controls within the game's menu to suit your preferences. Now you are ready to experience the timeless action of Doom right on your Nintendo Wii console. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.